robocalls, crazy exes, or that person who just won't believe you when you tell them you've got the wrong number. In this video, I will show you 2 ways to block unwanted callers on your Apple iPhone. Hey guys, it's Josh, No Dad, No Problem, featuring how-tos, interviews, and reviews you can use. So almost everyone who has a phone has had that instance where it rings, you look at it, and you go, oh no. From annoying phone calls that you've won a trip to somewhere, or a scammer saying that they're from the IRS and they're going to freeze your social security number. A stranger who calls at least once a week asking for somebody you've never heard of, or that crazy ex who doesn't understand that they've been excommunicated. We've all been there. Fortunately, there are 2 easy methods in iOS to make sure that you don't get these unwanted notices, and I will show you how to implement them step by step. Just as a preface, blocking a number will block that number from being able to contact you, but if it's like the scammers who are using random voice over IP numbers, that individual number is blocked, but if they change and spoof a different number, it will be able to get through, so you'll have to block it individually. So here we go. Alright guys, so for method number 1, we're going to show blocking calls from your recent call list. I get a lot of unknown phone number calls that come in, so I'm going to show you guys how to block those here. What you're going to do is you're going to select your phone icon, and then you're going to go to your recent calls and select miss. As you can see, I have a ton. So what we're going to look at here is we're just going to pick one. We're going to say this Huntington Park, California number. Going to click the I for info. It's going to show kind of the info about when the call came in. All we have to do is select block this caller down at the bottom. It's going to ask us to confirm, so we'll click yes to block the contact. And that number is now on our blocked list. If we want to unblock it, all we'd have to do is click the unblock this caller button, and it won't even ask us for confirmation. It'll just unblock them. Method number 2 is a little bit trickier. Unfortunately, iOS does not have a way built in to block a phone number that hasn't called you, like it's not on your recent calls list, that's not saved in your contacts. So if you have a phone number that you know that you want blocked, you're going to have to build a contact for them. So for that, all you're going to do is you're going to come over, click in the center over in contacts, and then click up in the right hand corner for new contact. At this point, you could put the person's name. For this, I'm just going to name it a contact to block. I'm going to add their phone number. This is great if you have those people from your past you don't want to be in communication with. So for our phone number, I'm just going to use a generic 555-555-1212. I'm going to click done. And now I've added this new contact. Now I can either block the caller from there, but say I've had this person in my contacts for a while and I want another way to block them. What I can do is I can come to my settings, go to phone, and then select blocked contacts. Now this is just showing the list of the contacts that I have blocked. Like I said, I get a lot of these things. If I scroll down to the bottom, I see add new. So if I click add new, it's going to load my contact list. I add my contact there for a contact to block, which was the one that I just created, and it automatically adds it in there. Now that contact is blocked. So there it was, gang. 2 methods in iOS to block phone numbers on your Apple iPhone. If this video has helped you out, please consider leaving us a like. Leave us a comment if there's anything with iOS, Android, or PCs you'd like to see us make videos on. Please consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps our channel grow, and ring the bell for notifications when we post new content. I'll be posting a similar video next week on how to block contacts on Android phones if you happen to have one of those. Be well, be blessed, be loved, and have the best day ever.